Have you ever wondered how animals and plants survive in different environments? The answer is adaptation. Adaptation means the special features or behavior that help living things survive in their surroundings. Every place on earth is different. Some are hot, some are cold, some are dry, and some are wet. To live in these places, organisms adapt over time. For examples, camels live in deserts. They have long eyelashes to keep sand out of their eyes and humps that store fat, helping them survive without water for many days. Polar bears, on the other hand, live in very cold areas. Their thick fur and layer of fat keeps them warm in freezing temperature. Plants also adapt. Cactus plants have thick stems to store water and spines instead of leaves to reduce water loss. Mangrove trees grow near the sea and have special roots that help them breathe and stay firm in muddy soil. Adaptation is not a quick change. It happens slowly over many generations. Those plants and animals that adapt will survive, grow, and reproduce. In conclusion, adaptation helps living things fit into the environment and continue life on Earth. Without adaptation, survival will be very difficult.